In this video, we'll see how to read values from user in Python. To read input from user, for example, my name, that is Gayatri, to read our age, to read marks, or whatever that user gives, right? To read that from user, we should use input statement. See, in the small cases, you should write input input and then open bracket and close bracket, okay? So now to execute our program to read input from user, just click in Google, search execute Python online and select this program is .com. Okay, so you'll get this, right? Then we'll delete this all, Control A, delete. Okay, now for example, we'll write print, what is your name? What is your name? And write input, open and close brackets. Then if I click on run here, you can see what is your name, and it is prompting me to write my name here, right? So Gayatri, enter. Then similarly, I'll write some more comments here. What is your name? Then I'll write print, open bracket. Then I will write, what do you love to do? Love to do. And then again, I'll give input. And see now if I run, you can see here, what is your name? Then I'll say Gayatri. Then it asks me, what do you love to do? I'll say cooking. All right. So it basically the program is taking values from user. Now I'll show you another method of reading inputs. Okay. In that we'll reduce these two statements to one statement. Okay. I'll show you. So I'll remove these last two lines. Okay. So this will write it in another way. Okay. For example, just write input, then open bracket, then double quotes, write, what do you love to do? What do you love to do? See here, this one input statement will do two jobs. Okay, one is to print this on screen and then take input from user. So if I run, what is your name? That is because of this print statement. Now it is prompting me because of this input statement. So I'll write Gayatri. Then see, it is asking me what to do, love to do. Okay, that is what I have typed, right? So it's asking me that, and it's also asking me to write something. Okay, I'm getting an error, I think. Okay, what is your name? I'll write again. What do you love to do? Okay, I should type here. Okay, something I gave, or I'll write here cooking. Okay, so to write this in new line, you should add \n here. Okay, backslash and n. This is to move to new line. Okay, you can use anywhere you want. If I write \n here, you can see it will split here. Okay, this will come in one line, this will come in the second line. So let me run and show you. Okay, what to do? So you can see there's a \n here, so it has moved to next line because of this. And then again you have \n here, so after this the cursor has moved to next line. Okay, so for example, I write cooking. It takes input from me. Now you may ask me, ma'am, where is this stored? I said my name is Gayatri. Is it stored in computer? Does the program know now that my name is Gayatri? Does it know that I love cooking? So you may have these questions. For that, see, to store the values from user, we need to use variables. Okay, what is variable? How to use it? I'll show you in the next program. So here you can see, right, the next video, just check on that. You'll get how to use variables. In that we'll write some more interesting programs. Okay, thanks for watching.